Hi everybody, I hope you're doing well this morning. This is a video I'm creating to help some students understand how to remove pop-ups so they can do their assignments, and also how to clean out their cache. So if you're in Chrome, which is what this is, you can click here and go to Settings. While you're in Settings, move to the bottom. I hope you'll be able to see this. Click Advanced. If it doesn't pop up and open this, then move down and you'll be able to see these. If you are in this section, go to Clear Browsing Data, and then you can identify which items you want to clear. So browsing history, download history, cookies, content settings, hosted apps if you want to. It just depends on what you want to get rid of. Cached images and files, definitely get rid of that. For this, I might not check these two, but I would definitely click cached. I'm going to tell you why in just a second. So I'm just going to click to. It shouldn't take long. If you have a pretty fast internet connection, it won't take very long at all for your data to get cleared. By clearing your cache, it kind of is like erasing a chalkboard. When you get too much stuff in the cache, things start going a little wonky in your browser. Certain things won't appear. Like I've had it happen to where sometimes I know there's a submit button at the bottom of the screen, but it won't display. I can't see it, so I can't click it, so I can't submit my assignment. When that happens, it's clear that there's too much cache and we need to clean that out so that items can continue to display properly. It's not usually necessary, but sometimes you may also have to restart your computer in order to help clear that cache out. So if you find that when you're doing assignments, say in a third-party software like a SAM or MindTap, and things just aren't displaying or populating properly for you, and they have before and you know what you should be looking at, but they're not doing it on that day, most likely you need to go in and clean out your cache. This is taking a little longer than it normally does, so either the internet connection's a little bit slow today, or I had a lot of heavy stuff. I see here that this is almost 4,000 items, so that could be why it's taking a little longer. But for you, it shouldn't. In the meantime, just know that you may also need to do this for let's finish now, but you may also need to do this for a Firefox browser, and I would highly suggest that you never use Internet Explorer with Blackboard or any of those third-party software websites, just because I happen to know that while Microsoft used to be the gold standard, they're just not making all the updates as frequently as needed to stay in sync with the third-party providers. So I've found that the most number of problems that students have with browsers is when they're using the Microsoft Internet Explorer. And I'm sorry about that because I used to always love Microsoft so much. But now it appears that Chrome and Firefox both perform much more successfully when you're trying to do your assignments. So I hope this has been a helpful video. I hope you have a great day. Bye-bye.